Hello, and thank you for joining me for another database tutorial. Today's tutorial will be on Scholastic Trueflix. Trueflix provides non-fiction content to supplement social studies and science learning for grades 3 to 6. So let's jump into it right now. So the first thing you want to do is come to our homepage, which is www.theoceancountylibrary.org. Once you're there, you want to take the mouse and you want to hover over the Resources tab, scroll down and left click on Databases. That will bring up a list of databases that the library has. Now you can limit here to kids, then that'll show you all the different kids databases. And you can scroll down and we're looking for Scholastic Trueflix. So there's Bookflix as well and Scienceflix, but we're looking for Trueflix. So we're going to click there. And then we're going to open the database. And then we're going to have to put our library card number in right now. So if you don't have a library card, get one, because it's the best thing you can have. They're free. They're real easy to get. You can stop in. You can even do it online. So we're logging in. So get a library card. It's the best thing you can have in your wallet. Let me tell you a little bit more about Trueflix. It includes timely and engaging content that is accessible for all patrons, provides digital tools for homework help and research, and supports the Common Core standards and the homeschool curriculum. So you can see all the different topics that they have: people, places in history, and science and nature. So let's go to continents. And you can see that it'll bring up books on all the different continents. So let's click on Africa. So we click on Africa. We can watch a video that gives us information. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to just show you. We'll do a little clip right now. So we played the video, and you can see that it's going to have some information. And you can listen.
This river? Yes, it's the Nile, which flows more than...
Lots of great information. And then we can just stop it. And then we could read the book as well. There's all different subject matter here. So this, you can read the book. You can scroll through like you would a book right here. And what you can do too is you can have the book read to you by clicking on Read to Me. And then you can hit play and watch what happens. Also too, you'll see the cursor highlight the word that they're reading. So watch. It's a great way to learn how to read.
Africa is a place of diverse landscapes, peoples, and wildlife. It has mighty rivers and ice-capped mountains. It has scorching deserts and misty rainforests. As on other continents, people's lives have...
So if it's reading too fast, you can make it slower. You could go normal or slower. So let's listen to slower.
...been affected by both natural and human-made events. Africa is the second largest continent. Only Asia is bigger.
So you can see, and then we'll go to the next page. And this is a book. It has an ISBN number. It can be used if you're doing research for a project for school. And what we want to do is, when we're done here, we just come to close. And then that'll take us back. So watch the video, read the book, explore more. It gives you links to articles dealing with Africa, animals, history, natural wonders, current events, folklore, map. And it's really great, and you can go back to home and then explore all the different things. So thank you for joining me for the Scholastic Trueflix database tutorial.
Support public libraries. Like, share, and subscribe for more great videos.